Long ago, the fallow deer tiptoed into Britain with the Romans and the Normans. At dawn and dusk, they slipped through the woods like shadows. They're the only UK deer with wide, hand-shaped antlers, growing their full woodland crowns at 3 to 4 years old, and they swish the longest tails of all British deer. When autumn arrives, the forest wakes up with their voices, 6 different sounds, including deep, rumbling calls as they search for a mate. Tiny and shy, the Mount Jack slips silently through the undergrowth, about the size of a medium dog. A visitor from China and Taiwan in the early 1900s, it is an invasive deer that usually prefers to be alone. On its face are secret little scent glands used to leave messages and whisper to other Mount Jack as they explore their woodland home. In the quiet British woods, the red deer are the true giants, our largest deer species. Males proudly carry antlers up to 1 metre long that can weigh 15 kilograms. When winter comes, their fur turns hollow like a warm, fluffy coat, keeping them snug through the cold months.